Hey there, welcome to REIT Investing Course, brought to you by Wealthy Education. Now, for those who don't know what a REIT is, REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. This is a type of investment that allows you to buy real estate like buying stocks. You don't need to have a lot of money to start investing in REITs, and with only a few $100s, you can easily profit from your investment. This is a very good type of investment for you to generate passive income online. In this course, I'll teach you exactly how I can create an amazing, stable, and growing stream of passive income by investing in real estate investment trusts. If you're looking for an effortless, low-risk, and working method for making passive income online, this is the course for you. Now let's take a quick look at what you're going to learn from this course. In this powerful training, I'll share with you my copy and paste profitable REIT investing strategy that you can use to build your amazing new stream of passive income. I'll teach you how to set up your investment plan so you can become financially free with REITs. By investing in REITs, you can easily achieve an additional 10% annual return from your investments while you don't have to do a lot of work. You just need to put your money there and wait for it to put the money back into your pocket. It's that simple. I'll also share with you my investing experience and provide you a collection of investment criteria that you can follow to pick a profitable REIT by yourself. You'll also learn how to build a well-diversified investment portfolio so you can stick with it to build your wealth effectively. So if you're looking for a way to make extra income online passively, just click the Take This Course button now, and I'll see you inside the course.